Just one more supplementary. So with due respect, I'm serious with this issue. I want that everyone should be serious with this issue. We cannot play with the life, with the future life of our
Sir, please
generation.
ask the honourable member not to be so melodramatic every
Yes.
time. Obviously, we are serious, sir. We all are serious here.
Okay, we'll see this.
If he
serious.
thinks
How much
just by raising
seriousness
his
you are.
voice, if he just by raising his voice, he thinks he's the only serious person out here. He's doing this
We'll
every
see the
time,
fact.
sir. What
Sir,
is this? Ask him to please ask questions properly.
Okay.
So, no need to be melodramatic here.
Okay.
Please be respect the house.
I fully know.
Ask the question.
Yeah, I fully knew about that this not a drama hall, because we are supposed to be legislator, not actor. I know. But in regards with this...
Because, point of order, as a legislator, I would like to appeal and request each and every honorable members of this August House, when you ask question, please leave aside your emotion. We are not here
seriously
to
concerned.
display our emotion.
Seriously,
we are here.
Emotion
we are
means
here to
seriously
share
concerned.
the concern of everybody for
emotion
the
means
interest of the state.
seriously
And
concerned.
always he's doing like that, sir. Always he's doing like
Emotion
that.
means
And he's making
seriously
fun
concerned.
of the house.
Please.
This should not be done.
Emotion means
This should
seriously
not,
concerned.
I cannot stand anymore. This should not be the way. You have been here for, I think, six sessions we
You
had.
fooling around every time.
Session we had.
Last session,
But
I had
this
put a
is not
question
fair, sir.
to government, to honorable
This is not
government.
fair.
And then you replied me. So with due respect,
Please take a seat.
please let me finish, sir.
Please take a seat, I said.
Thank you, sir. Okay, I hope you will give me a chance.
I will always give a chance to everyone. But I would like to see that whenever we ask a question, please ask in a polite manner. Please have a respect. Everybody, all this 60 members who are in this organization, we are serious when we are discussing any matters. It's not a place that we are here, just to come and sit in the house and, discussing whatever we want to, talk whatever we want to talk. So I would like to request all the honorable members, so please kindly respect. And there are a few questions which you put forward to the government. There are a few things which government can do, which few things which government cannot do. There are a few things that the minister, the chief minister can respond positively or in whatever way. But we can't expect that everything, whatever we ask, it will be done. At the same time, I have listened from the honorable chief minister also that he has, I could understand that he is looking into that, and he said it has been examined. This is the first time that it's been brought, though in the previous sessions also. But however, I would like to request to kindly maintain the decorum and the discipline in this August House. Yeah.
Apologize, Mr. Speaker, sir, through you to the Honorable August House. Sir, let me remind why I have to urge the government to be serious on this. Last session, I put this very same question to the government, and the answer whether the government whether the mind of the government will enhance the upper age limit from 1 to 8, from grade 1 to 8, or from grade 1 to 4. And the replies said no. But while I'm asking about MCS and MPS, they said under examination. They contradict among the concerned minister and the government itself. So may I get the clarity on this? That's why I'm asking whether it is a serious concern about that word examination, or it's just to please everybody.
So when we give a reply in this house, sir, it is meant to be very serious, sir. There is no question. We are accountable to the house and we are accountable to the people of the state. We cannot give any statement when we are not serious. So I would request that not to come out with these kind of statements. We're ready to give the facts and figures. We're ready to answer. We're ready to give commitments, as you said, when it is meant to be given, sir. And obviously, when we feel that it needs to be examined, we say it's examined. And I've mentioned that when we say with the word examined, it means we need to see the pros and cons. Every decision has got an impact in different ways. So government has to be very, very careful when we take a decision, minimize the cons, and then take the step forward. So that exercise does need time, and we're doing it. And I've mentioned it the third time today in this house, sir. So I think I would request the honorable member to listen to that reply and then accordingly ask.